Hello my dear students, hope all of you are doing great. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Festival. So everyone open your seasons book at page number 48. In this chapter we will know about some festivals, okay, the name of some festivals, and we will know the significances of some festivals, okay. And this is, I hope all of you can see in your book that this is a very colorful chapter. Here we can see many colorful pictures in the first page, right? We all know that festival means colorful dresses, colorful lights, right? So yes, this chapter is going to be a colorful chapter. I hope all of you will love to read this chapter. So that is chapter 3, festivals. Okay, so students, look at this page. Wow, this is a very colorful page, right? Yes, here we can see the names of some festivals. Okay, so look at the first picture here. Look at your book, look at the first picture. Here in this picture, what can we see? We can see that these two girls are wearing new dresses, right? And this girl is bringing sweets, and this girl is lighting the diyas. These are called diyas. In Bengali we say prodip, okay? So this girl is lighting the diyas, and here we can see some more diyas, lights, right? So can you say in which festival we light the diyas? In which festival, কোন ফেস্টিভ্যালে তোমরা candles জ্বালাও বা প্রদীপ জ্বালাও? In which festival you do this? Yes, this is Diwali. This festival is called Diwali. So look at this. Look at the spelling of Diwali. Happy Diwali. Okay, this is the spelling of Diwali. This girl is saying to this girl, means she is saying to this girl, Happy Diwali, means she is wishing. Okay, she is wishing her Happy Diwali. So this is the spelling of Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. So in the Diwali, or when we celebrate Diwali, we share sweets with our dear and near ones, and we light the diyas, and we decorate our house with lights, with colorful lights, as well as we also wear new dresses like this, right? Do you like Diwali? Yes, I also like Diwali very much. Fine. Now look at this festival. See this girl and this boy. In their hands we can see the presents, the gifts, and they have worn red woolen caps. So when you wear red woolen caps, this is called Santa cap, right? So when during which festival you wear this type of red woolen cap? Very good, Merry Christmas, which is coming ahead, right? Yes, we are preparing for Christmas as it is coming ahead. So this festival is called Christmas. Okay, so this is Merry Christmas. Now the girl is wishing the boy, saying Merry Christmas. Okay, so this festival is called Christmas. Now look at this festival. This is Eid. Okay, this is Eid. Okay, now here the boys saying to each other Eid Mubarak. Okay, here the boys are saying to each other, Eid Mubarak. So this is called Eid. Okay, we actually Christmas is a Christian festival, means the Christians celebrate Christmas, and we all the Hindus celebrate Diwali, and all the Muslims celebrate Eid. But in India we all, okay, there has no religion barrier, so we all in India we all celebrate all of these festivals. Okay, in India we celebrate Diwali, Merry Christmas, and the Eid also. So these are the examples of festival. And students like me, I know all of you also wait for these festivals throughout the year. Why? Because festivals bring happiness for us, right? Yes. Like me, do you wait for festivals? তোমরা কি festivals এর জন্য wait করো? Throughout the year wait করো তো? তাই না? Yes, কারণ we can wear new clothes, we can eat delicious dishes during the festivals. That's why we all wait for the festivals throughout the year. And festivals bring happiness and lots of good wishes for us. That's why festivals are very, very important for our life. Okay, now we will know about these festivals one by one. Okay, so this is Diwali. I hope all of you can understand. Look at this picture carefully. Here we can see the Rangoli. This is called Rangoli, right? In Bengali we say Alpona, তাই না? আমরা আলপনা আঁকি. So this is called Rangoli. And students, what are these? What are these? These are crackers. So do you love to burst crackers during Diwali? Do you love to burst crackers? তোমরা কি বাজি ফাটাও দিওয়ালির সময়? হ্যাঁ? Yes, we love to burst crackers during Diwali. And here this woman is bringing sweets for these children. Here we can see the girls are bursting crackers together. Here the boy is also going to burst this cracker. So this picture is of Diwali festival. Okay, this picture is telling us about the Diwali. Okay, here we can see that the colorful lights also. These are the colorful lights during Diwali. We also decorate our house with colorful lights, right? So do you know why we celebrate Diwali? Can anyone say why we celebrate Diwali? কেউ পারবে বলতে আমরা দিওয়ালি কেন সেলিব্রেট করি? Why we celebrate Diwali? Okay, so now let me say, we celebrate Diwali for celebrating the victory. Victory means win, joy. Okay, the victory of good over evil or bad. Means আমরা কি চাই সব সময় খারাপ যেটা হয় সেটা হেরে যাক আর ভালো যে হয় সে জিতে যাক. সো আমরা তো সেটাই দেখতে পাই, তাই না? We always see the winning of the goodness and the losing of the badness, right? Yes, that's why we celebrate Diwali for the victory, for celebrating the victory of goodness over the badness. And the lights of diyas, yes, the lights of diyas, what it does? The light of diyas remove all our dark desire, remove all our bad desire and give us goodwill. মানে আমাদের যে ব্যাড ডিজায়ার্স, ব্যাড যে উইশেস গুলো থাকে, ধরো আমাদের মনে যে খারাপ যে চিন্তাগুলো চলে, ঠিক আছে, সেগুলোকে রিমুভ করে দেয়, ঠিক আছে, অ্যান্ড and what it does, it gives us goodwill. ওকে, এটা আমাদের এনার্জেটিক করে তোলে, এটা আমাদের ভালো উইশেস, ভালো ইচ্ছা এটা আমাদের মনে তৈরি করে। সো দিস আর দ্য significance of the lights of diyas. The means it always it removes all our dark desires, means bad desires, and give us good will. Okay, that's why we celebrate Diwali. Fine. Okay, so this is the picture. Now students, we will know about the next festival, that is Christmas. I have already told you that Christmas is a Christian festival, means all the Christians celebrate Christmas. But not only Christians, we also in India, we Bengalis also celebrate Christmas, right? 25th December is coming ahead, and I hope like me you will also celebrate Christmas by cutting the cake, right? Yes. So this is the picture of Christmas festival. Here we can see the boy and the girl are wearing woolen caps. They are wearing woolen caps and they are decorating this Christmas tree. Okay, and here we can see the bells and the main person. And students, look at this man. Who is he? Do you know? Who is he? Can you say? Yes, this is Santa. We all love him very much, right? You also love him very much, right? Yes, and he brings gifts for us. In every Christmas, we get gifts from Santa, right? Yes, we love Santa very much. Yes. So, do you know what is the significance of Christmas? Why we celebrate Christmas? Because of Jesus Christ. Do you know who is Jesus Christ? Do you know? Jesus Christ is a saint. Okay, Jesus Christ is a saint. He is just the next to God. Okay, to us he is next to God. He was a very, very noble person. Okay, so to all the Christians, actually the Jesus Christ is the messenger of God. On 25th December, means on which day we celebrate Christmas. So on that day, means on 25th December, Jesus Christ was born. Okay, means 25th December is the birth date of Jesus Christ. That's why we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. Okay, fine. Now go to the next page. Page number 53. This is the picture of Eid. As I have told you that this is a Muslim festival, but in India that there has no religion barrier. That's why we also celebrate Eid. Okay, so this is the picture of Eid. Okay, now it is celebrated by giving alms to the poor. Alms means any type of help. It may be help by giving the food or giving money to the poor people. Okay, during this festival we wear new clothes and we make delicious dishes. Okay, like Diwali and Christmas, during the festival Eid, we also wear new dresses and we make delicious dishes. Okay, so thus we celebrate Eid festival. Students, now come to page number 58. Okay, page number 58. Here we can see two short stories on these two festivals, Christmas time and Diwali. Okay, first I will read this story, okay, and you will listen to me. So look at the first one, Christmas time. Christmas is coming, boys and girls. So here we can see that Christmas is coming. In real life, we can also see we are also waiting for Christmas as it is coming ahead. Yes, like this, in this book there has been written, Christmas is coming, boys and girls. Christmas is coming, boys and girls. Time to eat, sing and play. So during festival, we eat delicious foods, we sing, we play, right? Time to decorate the Christmas tree. And what is the significance of Christmas time? What is the difference of Christmas festival? Yes, to decorate the Christmas tree. This is the different decoration during Christmas festival. We decorate the Christmas tree, right? So time to decorate the Christmas tree, time to open the gifts, okay? The gifts which we get from Santa, okay? So time to open the gifts, time to share and be happy. So we should share our gifts and we should be very happy, okay? Fine. Now next one, Diwali is here, bright and shining. So Diwali, when we think about this festival, the brightness and the shining comes into our mind, right? যখন আমরা দিওয়ালির কথা ভাবি তখন কি হয়? তখন আমরা দেখতে পাই চারিদিকে the lights of diyas, the house which is full of decorations of light, তাই না? বাড়িতে পুরো আলো দিয়ে আমরা ডেকোরেট করি and we burst crackers, সেখান থেকেও আলো পাই আমরা, তাই তো? তো দিওয়ালি মানে ব্রাইটনেস অ্যান্ড শাইনিং, চারিদিকে পুরো ব্রাইটস থাকে, ব্রাইট অ্যান্ড শাইনিং, পুরো চারিদিকটা ব্রাইট হয়ে থাকে, তাই না? সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই হিয়ার হ্যাজ বিন রিটেন, দিওয়ালি ইজ হিয়ার, ব্রাইট অ্যান্ড শাইনিং, diyas are lit, tasty sweets for everyone. As we know that during Diwali we lit diyas, right? During Diwali we lit diyas and we share sweets, tasty sweets to everyone, right? We share sweets, we share tasty sweets with our dear and near ones, and happiness we also share with the sweets. We also share happiness with all around, right? So these are the two short stories on the two festivals. One is Christmas time and the second one is Diwali. Now students, what you have to do? You have to read these two stories very well, okay? You have to practice the reading of these two stories, okay? On the next online class, I will tell you to read these stories, okay? Fine. So students, that's for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you.